Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this 3-bedroom pool home for a client. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here checking out 1400 Tanqueray Drive, north side of the town. Just listed about 50 days ago for $725. It's real close to the highway over there, but there's some vacant lots across the street they'll build on. Considered pretty close to like Windsor launch ramp. Looks like it has some gated side RV type parking. It'd be a little narrow for an RV, but definitely get some trailers and boats back in there. So you got a cool little front courtyard. It's like stamped concrete. So you do have a lake shot off the courtyard here, but when the house is across the street, it looks like there's like 3 lots. When they're built, not sure what will happen to that. Might retain a little bit of it. All right guys, let's go on in and check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2015, 1,616 square feet. On your standard 10,000 square foot lot, north side of town, super close to like the mall, Windsor launch ramp. All right, so this is a split floor plan, has a vaulted ceiling, all plank tile floors, open living area, front kitchen with the eat-at granite top bar. All stainless appliances, upgraded cabinets, can lights, little dining area back there, big kitchen, wood block island. All right, so you have the master on one side with the indoor laundry. All plank tile floors in here as well. I believe there was probably carpet at one time and they did the floors. So it is missing the slider out to the backyard pool area, which would be cool to access the pool from your master. So you have your master, granite top, dual sinks, big skylight. You have your toilet with its own door, your tiled walk-in shower, pretty good size. Decent sized walk-in closet. Looks like they're just using this as a vacation rental or a river house. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. Here's your indoor laundry off of the master. All right, so you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. Have bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. Missing a slider out of this room to the pool area too, which would have been nice. All plank tile floors in here as well. You have your guest bath, granite topped, tiled shower. So here's bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. All right, let's go check out the pool. So you have a 3-car garage, epoxy floors. You have a 27-foot bay and a 49-foot bay. Both have 8-foot doors. Have all your typical reverse osmosis water heater, soft water out here. There is a in-wall swamp cooler in here, and then a door out the rear to the pool area. So you have your little covered back patio. It's like that. They put in a little child pool gate that you could remove if you wanted to, of course. Stamped concrete decking. Has a little gazebo. Nice little pool with a Baja shelf. Big spa, glass tile, travertine coping, couple water features. Looks like they did some glass tile at the bottom of the pool as well. So they did the artificial turf. Looks like there's some landscaping type downlights, little bar table, big spa, glass tile. They did run power, so they have a ceiling fan, some lights. They also put in this little terraced area up top with some artificial turf. You have all your pool equipment over here. They have the heater on propane. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Tanqueray. Again, this one was listed for $725. Comes fully furnished, turnkey. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the latest pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.